daily practice for English.
Hello. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Lisa.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
What time is it?
It's 2:30 p.m.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I'm good, thanks.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet.
Are you sick?
Yes, I am.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment in the city.
Where were you born?
I was born in Seoul.
What's the date today?
It's the 16th of September.
What's the matter?
Nothing.
Is there anything I can do to help?
I'm fine. It's okay, thanks.
What's on your mind?
It's not your business.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading books.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
What's your favorite food?
Sushi is my favorite.
What's your favorite season?
I like autumn.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, but I would love to go.
What's your favorite book?
I like To Kill a Mockingbird.
Can you play an instrument?
No, I can't play any instrument.
What's your dream vacation?
I'd love to visit the Maldives.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, it was amazing.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I enjoy jogging.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What kind of films do you like?
I'm a fan of horror and action films.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or read.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dolphins.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, and I love it.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy playing tennis and swimming.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy taking pictures.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Can you ice skate?
No, I can't ice skate.
What is your favorite type of flower?
I love roses.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't juggle.
Can you ride a horse?
No, I haven't ridden a horse before.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
What is your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Yes, I enjoy working out at the gym.
Do you like to go for walks?
Yes, I enjoy taking walks in the evening.
Can you swim underwater?
Yes, I can swim underwater.
Do you have a favorite board game?
Yes, I enjoy playing chess.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I love spending time at the beach.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I love surprises.
What type of movies do you like?
I love romantic comedies.
What is your favorite thing to drink?
My favorite drink is iced tea.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evening.
Favorite TV show?
I like comedy shows.
Do you like movies?
Yes, especially action movies.
Weekend hobbies?
I like hiking.
Like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
Favorite restaurant?
Italian restaurant.
Like fast food?
Sometimes on weekends.
Drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
Like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Shop online?
Yes, very convenient.
Like social media?
Yes, use Instagram.
Watch YouTube?
Yes, many videos.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Can you cook?
Yes, simple dishes.
Do you cook often?
Yes, every evening.
Where do you eat lunch?
At work cafeteria.
Eat breakfast daily?
Yes, very important.
What's for dinner?
Usually rice and chicken.
Where do you study?
I'm a student at Cambridge University.
What time do you go to school?
I head to school at 7 a.m.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus.
What is your major?
I'm majoring in computer science.
Why are you studying English?
'Cause it's very important and necessary.
What do you want to do after you graduate?
I aspire to be a programmer.
How did you learn English?
I took an intensive course.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English very well.
How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning English since I was 8.
Which year are you in?
I'm in the 4th year.
Do you have any exams coming up?
I've graduated.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Study often?
Yes, every day.
Hard worker?
Yes, try hard.
Like studying?
Yes, interesting.
Take notes?
Yes, in class.
Ask questions?
When don't understand.
Do homework?
Yes, every evening.
Study group?
Sometimes, yes.
Need help?
Sometimes ask teacher.
Make progress?
Yes, getting better.
Future study?
Want to learn more.
Do you have any siblings?
I have 1 brother and 2 sisters.
How's your family doing?
They're doing well, thank you.
What's your sister's name?
My sister's name is Amanda.
Who cooks dinner in your family?
My mom usually cooks dinner.
Do you have family game nights?
Yes, we have game nights on Fridays.
Do you share a room with any siblings?
Yes, I share a room with my sister.
How old is your little sister?
My little sister is 6 years old.
Do you have a family car?
Yes, we have a blue car.
Who helps you with your homework?
My mom helps me with my homework.
Do you have family movie nights?
Yes, we watch movies together.
What's your dad's favorite hobby?
My dad likes gardening.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Buddy.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Where does your aunt live?
My aunt lives in Canada.
What language does your family speak?
We speak English at home.
Where does your grandma live?
My grandma lives in Florida.
What is your aunt's job?
She is an accountant.
Where did your parents meet?
They met at the university.
Do you have family?
Yes, a big family.
Where do they live?
They live in Vancouver.
Are your parents working?
Yes, they both work.
Do you live with family?
Yes, with my parents.
Who's older, you or your sister?
My sister is older.
Do you see family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Family dinner together?
Yes, every evening.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7:30 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every morning.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 10 a.m.
Do you have lunch breaks?
Yes, at 2 p.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 4 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym.
What time do you have dinner?
At 7:30 p.m. usually.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Where do you shop?
At the mall usually.
How often shop?
Once a week.
What do you buy?
Clothes and food.
Free time?
Little free time.
Work overtime?
Sometimes needed.
Take breaks?
Short breaks, yes.
Meet deadlines?
Yes, usually.
Feel rushed?
Often rushed.
Weekend plans?
Rest and relax.
Time management?
Try my best.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 7 years.
When will the meeting finish?
I don't know.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask him to call me back.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did.
When will he be back?
He'll be back in 30 minutes.
Can I speak to Alexander, please?
I'm sorry, he's not here at the moment.
Is there a bank near here?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
How long does it take?
It takes an hour.
Have you been waiting long?
Only a few minutes.
Can you speak louder?
Yes, I can speak louder.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to the beach.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, of course, that would be nice.
Could we have lunch together one day?
With pleasure.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
What are you planning for after work?
I'm going shopping with my friends.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to go to the beach.
Do you prefer traveling by train or plane?
I prefer planes.
What do you usually do during your trip?
I visit music museums.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I went to London last year.
How many countries have you traveled to?
I've traveled to 5 countries.
How long will you be staying?
I'm here until the end of the month.
Do you have a credit card?
Yes, I have.
What kind of room would you like?
I'd like a single room, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
What time do you close?
We close at 10 p.m.
What time do you open?
We open at 10 a.m.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, if you like.
Do you need any help packing?
No, thanks.
Can you offer me any discount?
I can manage myself.
Where can I find the milk?
Yes, of course.
Could you tell me where?
It's aisle 3.
Can I help you find something?
The fruit is on the shelf.
What's the purpose of your trip?
Yes, I'm looking for coffee.
May I have your passport, please?
I'm on vacation.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, of course.
What are your symptoms?
Here you are.
What did you do last night?
No, I don't have any allergies.
What did you do last weekend?
I've got a headache.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
When did you wake up?
I went to the park with my friends.
Why did you miss the bus?
I went to the park.
What did you buy at the market?
I woke up at 7. I woke up late.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I bought some apples.
Which book did you read last week?
I ate bread and eggs.
Who did you meet at the party?
I read a storybook.
What did you do in the morning?
I met my cousin.
Where did you find your phone?
I cleaned my room.
Who helped you with your homework?
I found it on the table.
When did you finish your work?
My sister helped me.
How did you reach school?
I finished it at noon.
What did you watch on TV?
I took the bus.
Where did you put my keys?
I watched a cartoon.
Which dress did you wear to the party?
I put them in the drawer.
What did you write in your notebook?
I wore a red dress.
Where did you keep the books?
I wrote a short story.
Who gave you the gift?
I kept them on the shelf.
When did you visit your grandparents?
My mother gave me the gift.
Why did you cry?
I visited them last Sunday.
How did you solve the problem?
I lost my favorite toy.
What did you cook for dinner?
I asked my teacher.
Where did you play football?
I played in the park.